wanted to tell stories. I wanted to do something of my own, different, more qualitative, and just not get into the rut of making ads, ads, ads. Yes, I am making ads today as well, but that's a part of Tall Man Films. कि हम ads बनाते हैं, we are doing narrative content as well, and there is much more to come as well, and inshallah we hope to entertain you with much better content. So there were many because our job is that every job is different, every project has new challenges, and you meet a lot of new people. So all of them, they shape you up, they give you lessons, they give you examples for being strong or being intelligent or being patient. It was a set of web series. It was an anthology we did for Digestive Showtime. It was a set of 5 stories. I had to engage a lot of people who were probably doing a long narrative of this kind for the first time, and इसमें brand भी involved था, but brand was also being very intelligent and very understanding and not making it very difficult for us to do. But yes, to get those 5 stories and 5 different sort of directors to do it, उसमें एक फिल्म मैंने भी direct की थी, so that was also challenging. So, but yeah, ultimately the project was very rewarding. It was received with a lot of appreciation, and for me it's a trophy as of. Okay, yeah, so I believe a generic answer to that would be कि टेक्नोलॉजी ने तो पूरी लाइफ को ही हमारी चेंज किया है, एम्पावर कर रही है. But for productions, from the time that I started producing till today, बहुत ज़्यादा एफिशिएंसी आ गई है, बहुत टाइम सेव हो रहा है. जस्ट अ वेरी सिंपल एग्जांपल कि पहले ग्रेडिंग के लिए आपको बाहर जाना पड़ता था, 2 दिन लगते थे उसमें, फिर आप वापस आते थे कलर ग्रेड करा के. नाउ इफ़ यू आर जस्ट प्रेस्ड ऑन टाइम, यू कैन जस्ट ट्रांसफर द डेटा ऑनलाइन. Then there are remote links as well. So for example, if there's a client that you have and who cannot fly in to monitor the shoot, you can just send them a link and they can just have a live view of the shoot. So which saves a lot of time as well. Technology has all the positiveness to offer. Bandwidth थोड़ी कम होती है हमारे यहाँ, तो इंटरनेट रुक जाता है कभी-कभार. So that's the only issue, but it is all 100% positive. So learning is constant, and that's a very generic term, but you have to maintain uniqueness, and uniqueness can only be achieved out of uniqueness. आप unique सोचेंगे तो uniqueness deliver कर सकेंगे. Also the people you combine with or the people you get on board, आपकी टीम होती है, तो उसको बड़ा हैंड पिक करना पड़ता है. They have to follow your vision, they have to follow your pace, your hunger, not quest but hunger for uniqueness. So it takes some patience, and you have to be very specific in your requirement or your objectives. आप यूनिक किस चीज़ को समझ रहे हैं, सबसे पहले आपको ये समझने की ज़रूरत है. सो थोड़ा सा ब्रॉड करें अपना विजन, ताकि यूनिकनेस अचीव करना थोड़ी चैलेंजिंग हो, फिर उसका उतना ही मज़ा भी आएगा. Try to offer substance and not just the style. The idea of being a producer is very nice, but the effort that goes in to be a producer needs a lot of nerve and transparency as well. So the client trusts us with their money, so we have to be very true to them. तो सच बोलने की आदत डालें और एसोसिएशन बना लें प्लीज़. एसोसिएशन की बहुत सख्त ज़रूरत है, बिकॉज वरना ऐसी सब तितर बितर होता रहेगा, तो चाय ढाबे पे बैठ के गॉसिप करने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. ठीक है ना. थोड़ा सा फिल्म मेकिंग और पॉजिटिविटी और बेहतरी की तरफ भी हम चीज़ों को लेके जा सकते हैं.